If your toilet flush only works when you hold the handle down, it probably means the flush valve isn't staying open like it should. So, here's the scoop on fixing that annoying issue. First, check the handle itself. Sometimes it gets loose or the chain connecting it to the flush valve is too slack or tangled. If the chain's too loose, the valve won't stay open long enough to finish the flush. Try tightening or adjusting the chain just enough so there's a little slack when the valve is closed, but not so much that it doesn't lift properly. Also, look at the flush valve flapper. If it's warped or worn out, it won't seal right, and you might need to replace it with a new one from any hardware store. Another thing is the handle lever might be bent or broken, so swapping it out can help. Don't forget to make sure the handle nut inside the tank is tight, but not too tight, or the handle might stick. After making these tweaks, test your flush a few times without holding the handle down to see if it works smoothly. If it still doesn't work right, sometimes sediment buildup around the valve can mess things up, so cleaning that area with some vinegar and a brush can help too. One of the most common mistakes is ignoring a loose handle or chain because it seems minor but ends up causing the flush valve to close early. Fixing this is just a simple chain adjustment or handle tightening. Another big issue is letting an old, cracked flapper keep doing its thing, which causes leaks and incomplete flushing. Replacing the flapper usually fixes that right away. Lastly, people often over-tighten parts inside the tank, which can make handles stick or break. Just snug things up gently and avoid forcing parts too much to keep everything moving smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is great for anyone needing trusted local contractors for home repairs like this. It connects homeowners with reliable pros and helps contractors find steady work in their area.